You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 215 over 891. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 16 over 99 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 9. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 215 over 891.